Hello? Hey! Excuse me, can you help me? Just stay away from me! Emma, I'm warning you!
What? Why? James, it's me. Can we just talk about this? You don't have to be guilty for what you've done.
For what I've done! Just stop there! Stop, I'm telling you, this ends now! You have got to stop!
I can't, don't you see? I can't, it's too late. Because if I stop now, I lose everything.
Yes, that's right. You lose! You lost me! God knows when I hear about this, you lose the boys.
No, I can't. Moses...
Oh, what, you honestly think Ross will let you anywhere near him after this? Oh, Emma, please. Listen to me. You haven't lost everything, not yet. Life goes on, Emma. You don't need us. You can't only live your life for a man you don't love. No, no! You're obsessed. You're sick. But this isn't love. Because if you really love me, you would walk away right now. From all of us.
Not my boys.
You lived without him for years. You moved on. You moved on.
I didn't. And I won't ever do that again.
Yes, you can. You will. Because that's what people do. You lose someone because of a mistake you made, or something horrible happens.
Oh. Oh, you mean like Holly and John?
What?
Like Holly and John. You're saying that I should be like her.
What?
Perfect, strong Moira. She did it, so why shouldn't I, eh? Just move on.
Oh my God, Emma.
Even now, you can't stop thinking about her.
No.
The woman of your dreams. All you've ever done is use her to hurt me. To destroy my life. Our life. You did this, not me. This is all because of you. This is all because of you. You did this. You!
Get off me! Please, no more!
Did you mean it? Did you mean it about Moira being the one that you love? Yeah, I heard you. I heard you in the hospital with Ross. You told her that you'd always loved her.
And you can't have heard everything. Because I was telling Ross I was wrong. That I wanted you.
So you do love me? There's still hope, isn't there? I know there is because deep down, you still love me. Please. Tell me the truth. That's all I want. Please.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Even now, there is a part of me that still loves you. Emma.
The Lord's my shepherd.
You're lying.
He makes me down to lie in pastures.
You're lying!
He
this, right? I'm talking about this. So I can ask you to marry me.